so far we covered in last session this one, right? Arithmetic operators. So any question regarding that? You are okay, right? You hope you have did practice and all for increment and decrement. If not, please do that. Okay. So this one is covered. Now today we'll see all of this. Okay. This four. Okay. So second one is relational operator. Now going to SRC, click on new package. Package name session 3. Enter. Click again and Java class. So operators. Okay. So we always need for execution main method. Public static void main string argument. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do practice for relational operators. Okay. This is relational operators. Okay. Now we have this symbols, right? Equal to. Then we have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal, and less than equal, right? There are 6. Equal to, no, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal, and less than equal. Let me take one by one. Okay. So suppose I am saying int a. Okay. Int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. This is our variables, right? Int is a data type, a and b are the variable, and these are the value, and this equal to is a assignment operator. Okay. Now I am saying system.out. So this is a shortcut. When you just so utu write and use tab, you will see this one. Okay. System.out println. Okay. Now for example, now what I'm saying, I want to use all the operators. Okay. So first we'll see the operators. This one equal to. Okay. Now I'm saying a equal to b, right? So ideally what it is like a equal to, so it's a calculation, right? A is not equal to b because both value are not same, it's a different value, right? So whenever it always remember, it will always give relational operators will only return true or false value. Returns true or false value. Okay. So it will return only either true or false statement or value, whatever. Okay. Statement I'm writing. Statement. Okay. Now, if I print, right, what I should expect the answer? True or false?
False.
False, right? Because A and V value are not same. So just right click on the program and run, and we'll see. Yeah, so we are getting false. Now, if I make 10, right? In that case, we'll get true, right? Because it's the same. A and B value is the same. We should get then true. This is the use of equal to equal to. Okay. Okay. This is clear, right? Any doubt? No, right? Okay. So false using. Okay. Now we'll see the second one. Second operator is not equal. So this is the symbol of not equal. So now I am saying, for example, system.out.println, okay, A not equal B. What would be the output? Anyone guess? I'm just commenting the first
True.
one.
True, because it is not equal.
Conditional aside, right?
It, it should be true, right? So it's not equal, right? So so I will show you one more thing when different logical operator when will come. Okay. So this is coming as a true. Okay. Now the third one. Okay. I'm just commenting out this one also. Now system.out.println. Now the third one is greater than. This is a symbol of greater than, right? So I'm saying A greater than B. Obviously not, right? Then in this case we should get false. Right? We're getting false. Now I'm again commenting. Now we'll see less than. This is less than system.out.println A less than B. That should be true, right? Because A value is less than 2. 10 is less than 20. True. So we saw less than. Now greater than equal to. Now greater than equal to. So system.out.println A greater than equal to B, right? So what should be the output? Any guesses?
False.
Hmm?
False. False.
False. Any other thoughts? A is not greater than equal to B, obviously, right? 10 is not greater than or equal to B. Then in this case, it should be false only, right? Okay. Now the last one. Less than equal to. So again, system.out.println A less than equal to B. Then what should be the answer? 10 is less than equal to 20.
True. Makan, can we use two relational operators at a time?
Two relational operators.
At a time in one sort. So what will we get a value for
How? Can you tell me what?
A is greater than B or not equal to C kind of?
That you are saying, suppose int c, right, equal to 30. System.out.println a. What is your statement? A.
Greater or equal to B is not equal to C.
What is the issue on this? So you at a time you can only use two. Okay. It's because the problem is what? Not equal to, right? So not equal to, you can't have this thing. So you can see this operator not equal to cannot be applied to boolean as a int. So if I change the data type as a boolean, for example, true, this time it will work, but there is no logic, right? What is the logic? I am checking all this, so this that is not possible. If you want to compare three data, three data, right, A, B, and C, that is not possible. So it will give you the error. Okay, but in this case, it will print, but there is no logic. So relational means between two things. Either it could be like A to B, B to A, or whatever. So it will give you true, true. A greater than equal to B. Yeah. Okay.
I think you have a
So
statement down.
sorry.
You
Oh,
that's a
it is
question.
coming.
So
No, no. Both are printing. Na? This true is coming for this one, and this true is coming in this one. If I comment also this one, it will give you print.
no. But what is the solution if you want to compare the three data types?
Okay, for the time being, okay, don't get confused on this. If we make it complex, it would be very tough. Okay, I will cover all those stuffs. Just go with the basic. Okay, as of now, just what is the use, what are the operations we do for the relational. Just go with the basic flow, and this is what we do. Okay, if I want to do a, like, this is the simple calculation. Okay,
Okay.
so that complex thing will come when we'll do all this for loop and all these things, right? Loop when we'll use, will come to that point. Okay, maybe you are aware about this thing, but let it be now here itself, so everyone should be on same page, right? Okay, now this is what the operational relational operators. Okay, these are the six we use for the relational purpose. Okay, now we'll cover assignment operator. So assignment operator is another operator, like assigning the value, right? Already we have this is called the assignment operator, but I will show you another in assignment operator. Okay, so assignment operator, it's only this one, equal to. Okay, the use of assignment operator. Now you see int a, int b, right? For example, I want to print, suppose I want to, obviously if I want to print a, right, I can print a, will get 10. If I want to print b, will get 20. But now I want to assign a value in different variable. Okay, so what I am saying, let me comment this b. Okay, so we have I, int a, right? So assignment is you are assigning from one variable to another variable. Okay, so I am saying a equal to c. Why I am getting error? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the reason?
आपने कुछ डिफाइन नहीं किया ना.
No,
That's
it's
correct.
not
क्या
equal,
करता है?
right? You said A
Yeah.
equal to C, or the equal is
No,
nothing, one more.
no, no. So
The question, tell me.
C I have not even declared, right? C I have not declared anything. For example, this is the C, right? And now just understand the logic. Okay. So I'm saying int A is my 10. I want the A value should place to C value. If I run currently without this one, what happen? If I want to run A and C value, right?
You'll get only 10 A value.
No, 10 and 0, right?
No, integer you given declared 10, right? Initialize 10, right?
Hmm.
That one you're going to print here, right?
Yeah, I am going to get the print of A and C, right? So I am getting 10,
Below you're showing, okay. Silo,
okay, and C value I assign this
0.
one, right? 0.
Correct.
Now I want, suppose I don't want like A should print 10. I want A, like C should hold the value of A. Okay, C should hold the value of A. So what I'm saying, A equal to C. Okay, now what happened? Now if I print both the value, if I suppose print, what I will get for A and C?
I think 0.
And for C?
10 आ जाएगा दोनों.
10.
I think the data flow from for this is from left to right, huh?
Yeah.
Then it will be 10. Both will be 10.
नीचे का थोड़ा रिमूव करो यार, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहे. Only we can see A and C.
Okay.
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 अब
So
दोनों
what I
क्या?
okay, now if I print, okay, if suppose, see, again I'm explaining. So I'm saying int A is 10. Okay. So if I'm saying int A is 10. Okay. Now if I just paste this one after this, right? What I will get here? I will get 10, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm saying, suppose I want to again print this one here. So what I should get? 0,
0,
right?
correct.
Yeah. But when I'm saying, remove this one. When I'm saying A equal to C,
Okay.
and I'm just getting the output of C, what I will get now? Tell me.
0.
Why 0?
Because C you already declared, that one you're going to print in A, right?
No, Raghu. See,
You'll get 10. So
see
you're
the thing.
telling A is equal to C, right?
So I'm saying whatever A, right? A is holding the value of 10, reassign to C. This is I'm saying the reassign or assign. Okay. A value you reassign to C, then you should get 10. Let's run this program, then you will understand.
वो कैसे होता है ना, जब ये रन होगा ना तो A का वैल्यू C में कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. C माइट नॉट बी 0, मतलब अभी C को 5 कर दो भी, तो जब वो रन होगा ना तो डेटा विल फ्रॉम मूव फ्रॉम दैट A इक्वल टू C ना, तो A का वैल्यू C में असाइन हो जाएगा.
No,
One
bro,
second.
0 only.
See,
There is some.
A, let me clear it. Okay.
अच्छा, then your data is moving from right to left, Makhan.
No,
It's
bro.
not C equal to A.
Declared
C
0,
equal
right?
to A करोगे तो 10 आएगा.
नहीं भाई. C already we declared 0. So that one you're going to print in A.
A, it is giving 10, right?
Yeah,
A
correct.
is
It's
giving 10.
0. Below the giving
0.
0 only.
0. It is showing this. If I don't print this one, let it just comment out.
Yeah, you can.
And I will just declare int C
Okay.
equal to 0, for example.
1 कर दो उसको, 0 मत करो, 1 कर दो.
Let it put 1. Okay. Now I'm saying A value will assign. Now see, can you see the int A is holding 10,
Correct.
and now this one is holding 1, right?
Right.
So it is taking A value as it is 10, and this is doing taking 1. Now if I want to print the value of a, then it will give me 10.
Then it would be 10.
Okay, okay, it will give me 10 only.
Correct.
And if I want to print the value of
Run करो एक बार run
c,
करो.
for example,
1. नहीं भाई
c
पहले
will get 1.
no. Remove that C, add
रन
again.
करो.
So I'm running, let's
No,
see.
तेरा सिस्टम बहुत स्लो है ब्रो. पूरा प्रॉब्लम बना के रख दिया होगा.
Okay,
Okay.
so assignment operator like this, only whatever you are assigning, this is what the assignment operator. Okay, a int a equal to 10 and int c equal to 1. Okay, and here a is using, see, the value c assigned to a is never used. We have never used the a, that's why you are getting this one, a. Now if I say a, then it will again give the print of a is a 10. Okay, so this will little bit just understand. Actually I don't want to make it complex. So this operator, what it mean is, assignment is only this assignment. Whenever you want to assign some value, you have to use this is the assignment. This is the only purpose of assignment. Okay, that's it. Just be there, and we'll use all the logic when we come to the jump statement, for loop, each loop, do while loop, and all everything. We'll see all of this. So we have covered so far relational, we have done relational and assignment. So this is the assignment. That's simple. Now come to logical. So logical, it's a different story. Okay, let me just take one note. I'm just deleting this one. Assignment also we are done. So now let me open Excel. Logical is little bit complex. Okay, I will tell you why it's a little bit complex. Let me open. Okay, so I'm saying x value, y value. Okay, so x and y, this is value. And for logical operators, right? So for logical operators, this is the use. You can see the double pipe, right? Pipe, this is logical, and this two, right? And double and this is one, not symbol. Okay, now you just understand this one first, then you will understand. Okay, now what I'm saying, this is x and y. Okay, and the symbol, suppose x and y. Okay, and the next one, x double pipe y. Okay, then not x and not y. Okay, so we are comparing two values with logical operators. Okay, now I'm just making a table. Okay, so just I'm writing, okay, true, false, false, true, false, true, and this will come false. I will show you when we write the program, then I will match with this. Okay, then I will explain. Just let me fill this one. True, this should be true and true, false, then false, true, You have to remember this thing, okay? Not equal false should be true.
सर थ्योरी का ट्रू फॉल्स क्या लॉजिक का
हाँ, मैं बताऊंगा प्रोग्राम में बताऊंगा.
ट्रू फॉल्स प्लस फॉल्स इक्वल टू ट्रू.
I will explain with code. Then you will understand. Let me just write it. Okay, false, false, true, 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 true. False, 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 true, true. False, true, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true. Okay.
D4
Now,
true, I believe.
sorry.
D4 should be true, I believe.
No.
D4.
D4. This one.
False, false.
No, this one would be false. We'll see. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what I'm saying, let me cover. So this is logical. Okay. Logical operators. Okay. So always remember logical operators, right? It works for the Boolean value. Boolean values. That's it. Value. True or false. That kind of things. Okay. No calculation like we did for this, right? Int a b. So for logical, whether it will be true or false. Just simple understand. So what we have, Boolean is the data type we have. So I'm saying x, right, equal to false. So I can't put this one. It will give me error, right? Because if you just hover over, it shows, see the Boolean, right? So we can't use int value. So Boolean either false or true. So I'm giving Boolean x as a false and Boolean y as true. You can put both false, both true, no matter, just for explanation I am giving. Okay. Now what I want, let me see if any program, let me comment all this. Okay.
कमेंट के
Now
लिए
I'm
शॉर्टकट की कौन सा है?
select whatever you want and use control and forward slash.
Okay.
Control forward slash. Okay. Now I am saying system.out.println. So I want to use all the operators, right? Whatever the symbol we have. So the first one is this and this dollar symbol, right? It's not dollar, it's and symbol. This and
ampersand.
now this, yeah. Then pipe, this double pipe, okay, and not. This is another, okay. This three. So if I go to my chart, yeah, we have this three, right? Double and double pipe and not. Okay. Now I'm telling my x value, right? My x value double and y is, so what should be the answer? If you come here, x double and y, so it will give you the false. Okay. Okay. Just get the output first. We'll cover that table.
ampersand ampersand का फंक्शनैलिटी क्या है?
So logical, right? Some in program we use some logic. If suppose something I am searching, right? Either it return some valid output, or it may be true or false kind of condition. So when we'll come
Okay.
to core programming, OOPS concepts and all, or Selenium, right? That time we'll see the real use case. Right now, just understand all the symbols, all the operators, what we use in logical for logical, all of this. Okay. So these are the basic things I am explaining. Okay, so just understand this table. So it is giving me x, this value is a false. Okay, this value
नहीं भाई
is not.
एक मिनट होते मेरे क्विज में
Hmm.
आप यूज कर रहे हैं एंड है ना वो एक्स एंड वाई
हाँ,
फॉल्स क्यों आ रहा
सॉरी, x and
है
y क्या?
एंड वाई क्या
Hmm.
लॉजिक क्या है इधर ट्रू और फॉल्स को कंपेयर
So
कर रहे हैं
हाँ, so x बोल रहा है x value is, see this is logical operator. If both I am putting one condition, right? Both the condition should be true or false, then it will give me the correct result. So here I am telling, if both the condition, right, both the conditions are true, okay, for example, both the conditions are same, then it will give me the true. If I'm making this also, let's see. So now we are getting true because both are true, that's why you are getting true, right? So that means if
If
both
both
are
are
false,
false,
okay, very good. In that case also it will be true only, right?
आप बोलो वो तो मैच कर रहा है क्या ओके बोथ आर सेम देन इट
Ah,
विल
that both conditions should match.
match okay
mm,
okay so
but
that time it was not matching first one is true
No, no.
second one was false
false,
okay so it was giving false if I'm making first one false second one true then what is the result
it will be
See.
false.
If you are getting both are false, then it is giving the false result. If you are giving first one is true, okay, and the first last one is false, right?
yeah
Then in that case, it will give you true again. Okay. So what I am trying to say,
So
just let
basically, it is
me write.
taking y का value, na?
xy
Y.
xy दे रहा है मेरे
So
ख्याल से
Boolean. Sorry.
go ahead go ahead
नहीं, कुछ है डाउट
मैं
तो
क्या
बोल
बोल
रहा
रहा
हूँ.
था रोपियो बोल रहा था ना बुलियन वाई का वैल्यू डिफॉल्ट है मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ सो अभी आपने प्रिंट किया ना सो
हाँ.
इन केस एक्स के जगह में फॉल्स डाल के वाई के जगह में ट्रू डालो तो क्या आएगा फॉल्स आएगा ना
सी बेसिकली डबल एंड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? ट्रू ओनली. ओके, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग फॉर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो ओके, ट्रू only if both expression, these are the expression, right? These are expression. Suppose this x, I am saying this is one x, it's an expression, exp expression 1 and exp 2. Okay, so 2 are true. So true only returns true only if both expression are true. Okay, suppose I am making it true. Okay, now what I will get? I will get true only. Let's run it.
So basically, अगर एक भी statement अगर false हो गया, then it
हाँ,
will turn to false.
correct,
Both the
correct,
statements has to be true.
correct. अभी आया point. So true only if both expression means I am just telling, okay, expression maybe you will have a confusion, both x and y are true, then it will return, then it will return true. If anyone is false, in that case it will return
False.
false. This is the use of a logical operator. Okay, this is the use. So, see, so you understand now, right? If both are true, true only if x and y are true, then it will come. Otherwise, it will not show you. Means you will get a false. Any question on this? Don't be just simple way. Try to understand. Okay. Otherwise, you will only have a confusion. Like what? Like we just try to understand the logic. That's it. Hope you are getting right what I am saying. Okay. Any doubt, any question? Tell me. Okay.
I'm clear.
Okay, you
Makhan.
are clear, right? This
I
see
got
this
clear.
statement should clear everyone. True only if both x and y are true, then
समझ
it
गया.
will come true. Okay, now we'll
If both the
see.
conditions are true, then only
Ha,
it will be true.
correct,
Otherwise, it is false.
correct. Now we'll see double pipe. Okay, the double pipe expression. Okay, now I am telling. Let me just comment out this one. Just let me know if you don't understand. I will try to understand. Make you clear in different way. If like, okay. Now, what is the use of logical, right? Use of. Oh, okay. Let me write here all. Okay. Don't make this. Okay. What I'm saying, X. This is the pipeline, right? Pipe symbol, and Y, for example. So, what is true? Again, true if either uh, x, okay, either x or y is true. This is little bit different, right? Here it was,
Yes.
if both value are true, then it will return a true in this case. But for this one, for this pi one, true if either x or y is true. So now we have x true and this is a false. So one condition is match, right? True.
Yes.
So in this case we should get what? True or
True.
false? Correct.
True.
So either one, x or y. But in first statement we should have both the condition or expression, right? Both the expression or condition should be this one. See, true coming, right? Now if I make false, then it will not return false because either x or y value is not true. So
It will be
obviously
false, right?
it will return false. Sorry, Ropio, you are saying something?
No, I said it will return false because both the statements are
Ha,
false.
correct. Both the statement doesn't have a true, right? So either x or y, at least x or y should have a true. Then only it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. Now the third one is not, right? This is the symbol not. Now I'm just again commenting this one. So I will put a statement after this line so you people can understand while doing practice. Okay, true if, okay, x is false and vice versa. So you understand this or not? What I'm saying, for example, did you understand this line or not? Tell me first. Okay, you can use in
No.
different way also. Okay, I
So
will
you are
try
saying
to. Okay,
no, आप
I'm saying
पहले वहां पे mention करो ना, like x not equal to y. Then
true if x value is false. Why I'm doing one program and explain you the same. Okay, what
okay.
I'm telling, for example, I'm saying not, for example, I'm saying not 5, okay, not 5 equal to 3. So what do you mean in this statement?
True.
True, right?
Yeah.
Why true?
Because you already mentioned, right? If not equal to 3.
Yeah.
नॉट ऑपरेटर आपने बाहर क्यों लगाया ब्रैकेट के बाहर?
Which one?
Not
1
operator.
second. एक minute.
Not operator he asking.
That
1
not
second.
operator.
या एक मिनट में प्रिंट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
प्रिंट हो गया ना? चेक हो गया?
नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि पहला
Most
प्रिंट तो आपका ब्लैंक है.
नहीं, this is only the see Ropio and others. If you don't understand, see, not what I'm saying, this not right. Okay, why I use this bracket? So this is the normal system.println, right? System.println.
Right.
Now I have to use symbol, na, this not. Now I'm saying
Right.
not, and I have to give within, if I do any calculation, right? Also, we have to use this bracket. Otherwise, how it will give you error. So what I'm
But
saying,
okay, करो.
okay, 5 equal to 3. Okay, so this is the because see this not we have to use first, because it's a this is the syntax. We have to use first
Okay.
this not.
Okay.
Then whatever you want to mention, you can have a space, that doesn't matter. Okay, now it will give you true, because 5 not equal to 3, right? In this case it will give you true. If another logic we can use, greater than or less than, we'll use that also.
Actually what I was thinking that कि ये ऑपरेटर भी काम करेगा ना. 5 अब पहले ब्रैकेट शुरू करोगे. 5 not equal to 3.
Not equal to 3.
Not equal to.
How it not equal to 3. Okay,
ऐसे में आपका
but for एक मिनट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ the difference. What is the difference? So अब देख रहे हो अभी क्यों यूज नहीं कर पा रहा? नहीं, आप समझे नहीं. It's coming true for this two, right? This two.
कौन सा?
ये second वाला true आया for this two, and the first वाला आया for this first two, right? These two prints. Let me print again. We'll see
That's what I'm
both
saying
the
ना कि both the statements are true. Either आप not operator ब्रैकेट के बाहर लगाओ या not operator अंदर लगाओ.
नहीं. It's depend on the see. Here you can see only single, right? It's just not equal. Here it's you can see double equal. If I use here, if I just do this one, right? It's a different. It's I cannot do like this. For example, if I remove
double equal
this
to का
one,
मतलब क्या है?
now only we covered, right? Double equal to का मतलब what is the use of double equal to?
It's a relation, right? Equal
Relation,
only, right? Equal only, right?
But syntax wise it's not correct, right? This double, when you use this double two, you have to use within the bracket only, then only you will be able to get the output. But for this it's okay, you can have this one. Either you can do this way also, or you can do another statement. For example, system.out.println, and you can say not equal, okay, then you start bracket and give 5 greater than 3. So what would be the output? It should be false. Right?
Because logical is correct, but आप उसको not बोल के उसको
right. आप ब्रैकेट इसके जगह पे आप नॉट इक्वल डायरेक्ट इधर यूज कर सकते हैं ना, वो पूछ रहा है.
But we should not, we should use in this way. Okay, this is what I'm saying. So this is
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड के क्या डिफरेंस
there
है?
is no difference. Program you can write in different way also. If syntax is okay, then it's fine. There is no hard and fast rule like we have to do this way or that way. When you don't get any syntax error, that's fine. Now it see this is some syntax error, or suppose I am not using
तो
something.
आप 3 ऑपरेटर एक जगह पे नहीं लगा सकते ना, 2 ऑपरेटर ही लगाओगे. नॉट इक्वल टू नहीं कर सकते.
Right. So this is the use of this operator. Okay, not operator. So not operator will, so this comes under logical. So whether true or false. So the first one, this double AND will only return true when your x and y value are true, and it will return then true. The second one, double pipe, true either one condition is true. Okay, then only it will return true, otherwise it will return false. The third one is it's just a not, right? So if again, if my 5 is not equal to 3, then obviously it's a right. This is what I get, right? True, because my 5 is not equal to 3. Now if I say 5 5, then it should what? Any idea?
False.
5 not equal to 5, false. Okay, so this is how it's logically we write the program. Okay, anyway, okay, so logical we have done. Any question for logical or assignment or these things? See, when you do practice more on that, you will get just understand of this. You can write program in different way also. Okay, if you want, I will just write down logical whatever we cover na programs, just with calculation, right? Using some a b plus c, all this relation how it happens. I will write a program. Same thing you can do by your own. Okay, after this session, just give some time. I will write program for you, and you will practice. Just change the value, understand the logic how it works, and just do it from your end. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Now we have another one is the conditional one, right? So there are a lot of, there are a lot of like unary operators we have. Increment and decrement we already covered, right? Decrement, how do we increment and all those things we cover. We had bitwise operator. Okay, these few things I'm not going to cover because frequently like we don't use those. I'm just covering which are like mostly like we use, like we have ternary operators also, but logically like we don't use all of those. So we only use whatever is like we use in day to day life in terms of automation. Okay, now conditional operator, okay, or ternary operator also we say, but conditional or ternary, whatever, conditional operator or ternary, both are same meaning only. Ternary operator. Okay, now that's for sorry.
I have one doubt.
uh,
वो एंड है ना, आप बोल रहे थे ना एंड, और नीचे है ना पाइप, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? आइदर एक्स और आइदर वाई, है ना?
which one line number बोलो?
38 38
38. हाँ,
उसको पाइप को
true.
क्या बोलते हैं? आइदर
कौन सा वाले को? इसको
पाइपलाइन, हाँ
या मतलब ये सिंबल है, डबल पाइप इट्स
ना, उसको
सिंबल,
क्या बोलते हैं? एक्स आइदर वाई, हाँ
it's a expression, double pipe expression. Matlab either one, like either left or right expression should true. That's what pipe
Right,
symbol we
Raghu.
say. This is pipe symbol.
और जैसे है ना, इधर एक्स और वाई,
Right,
लाइक
right.
Right,
Either of them,
right,
if it is true, then
right, right. But in normally we say this is the pipe symbol, right? Double pipe. This is the use. So double pipe means either one, like either left or right, like this.
ओके.
Okay. Okay.
either
Now,
of them.
yeah. Operators. Okay, now this would be little bit ternary operator or conditional operator is little bit difference. Okay, so I will just give you the syntax. Let me syn text. Syntax would be what? So your variable, whatever the variable, right? Variable equal to within the bracket condition okay, equal to condition, then bracket close, this question mark expression. Now this is expression. Okay, just expression one, and expression 2. Okay, expression 1, expression 2 is nothing. I mean to say your any variable int a, int b. Okay, let me tell like this only. Now I am saying int a. Okay, you can use anything. Okay, int a I am saying, for example, 50. Okay, now int b I am saying 100. This statement you are clear, right? Int is a data type, a is a variable, this is the assignment operator, this is the value, and this is the semicolon. We are closing the statement. So Java will execute line by line. That's why you have to, after any declaration or initialization, we have to close the bracket, otherwise it will show you error. Okay, this line, like people mostly they do mistakes. So always close the bracket, colon, like close the statement after every line. Okay, now I am saying int just minimum. Okay, I want to minimum. I want to say int is a data type and minimum, right? Minimum equal to a less than b. Okay, and a colon. Okay, okay, and system.out.println. So here I need the print of this. So I am saying int a is my 50 and int b is my 100. Now this what I want the minimum value. So ideally, what is the minimum value? Hello.
50.
What should I get now? If I want to print the minimum value, what should be the minimum value? Normally, like without program only.
50.
50, right?
Yeah.
So this is the syntax, okay, to get minimum, maximum, whatever, right? So what I'm saying, 50 less than 100, right? 50 obviously less than 100, and this question mark, it's a condition, okay? And condition, we are saying a. So ternary let me understand first. If suppose, for example, the ternary operators or the conditional operators, it like a shorten for if then else statement. Okay, it's a different. So it has a syntax, variable name, your variable, then your equal to operator, expression 1, whatever the expression 1, and then expression 2, and this is the condition. Now how if it works? If the expression, if the expression is true, okay, suppose if the expression is true, one, suppose I am telling a is less than b is true, right? If
Or else
the ha if the expression is true, then print it. Okay,
Then what
and
it will
if
print?
the expression 1 minute, I'm just explaining. Okay, and what I'm saying, if the expression is true, suppose expression 1 is assigned to a variable, this is the variable, right? This is the variable, expression 1 is, this is my expression 1 and this is my expression 2. Okay, take in this way. Now if the expression is false, okay, so let me give you the example how it works. So let me another example, or okay, let me print, I will tell you what is happening. I will give them the real time logic, so you will understand. Okay, this why these are printing. Okay, let me comment this. I will take another example. Okay, So what I want to know, like February months, right? The February, like whether it's a leap year or not, this thing, okay? Days like 28, 29, we know like leap year things. So suppose I'm saying int Feb days. This is my variable name 29, right? This is I'm saying, okay. Now suppose I'm saying string. Anyway, I'm just writing string, okay? Because I need to store that result will come all these things. Result. So what I did here, I just declare, not initialize, right? The string, whatever. Okay. Now what I'm checking, if my February days 29, then the use of ternary operator is, this is the variable result, right? Take this result and now I will put the condition. What is the syntax? First should be the variable name, right? So this is my variable name, right? And I'm saying, for example, equal to 28, right? Equal to 28, then question mark, okay? Question mark. Now what I will do, this a, for example, so basically what it will check whether you have a 28, it's a leap year or not. Obviously Feb 28, it's not a leap year, right? In that case it will not going to give. So this is the second syntax, right? And I'm just saying, let me write, not a leap year, and I'm saying leap year. Now system.out.println. So what is the variable? We need this, right, to get the result. So this string will I have to print. So it will check first, okay? So if Feb days are 29, right? If Feb days are 29, okay, and we are saying store the result under this result variable Feb if equal to 28, not a leap year or a leap year. Now when we run this program, right, so it will give me what, leap year or not leap year output.
What a leap year.
Leap year.
Correct. So I'm running. So let's run first, then I will tell you.
So basically जो आपने कॉलम डाला है, left side is your true state false statement, right side is your true statement. If your logic becomes true, then right वाला statement print करेगा और false हो गया तो left वाला statement print करेगा.
Now I will change 29, right? So I'm saying 29. So if it's so leap, it's not a leap year, right? 29, it's not a match, right? Suppose 29. If I run now, it was showing
Not a
leap
leap
year,
year.
right?
It will say not a leap year.
Not a leap year. So based on this condition, right? The left hand side, right? The based on the left hand side, whatever you have the condition, right? So syntax, see the syntax is variable, whatever you can take the variable. So my variable is what? This one. This is my variable, and I am telling this should be what? Whatever you have, it's if equal to 29, then this now it will compare, right? It will compare whether it's if it's match, then definitely we'll get output based on the requirement. Okay, so this is what the use of but very less we use this conditional operator. Okay, we like, but we should know like this, these are the
Basically Excel में जैसे हमारा if function है वैसे ही है.
But when we'll
If
come to if
this
things
logic
and
is
all,
true,
uh,
then print this. If not, then print that.
but this conditional statement, yeah, similar kind of things. But for if and else, we have a little bit which we can explain, uh, and that will have a more things, okay, to understand. So, but you should know the operators, the use of operators. So this is what the operators we have currently. Okay, so you have to so very very important thing, you have to first do all the arithmetic operators, use of these and all, just do the practice, and so that we will not move to the conditional statement or decision statement, if else, or we have a lot of things for loops and all. Just do practice, so after that we'll start. Okay, one small thing I will just cover today. So operators we are done. There is nothing. So do practice. Whatever you have a question, right? You just do practice. I'm just giving you the code, and I will write one other code for you guys. Okay, all the operators wise. So you can just refer that code, and so that you can do the practice as well. Where is the chat? Okay, this is the entire program.
Recording.
No, no, no. We have another thing to cover. Just wait. Okay, I just pasted the program. Okay, you do comment, uncomment all this based on the requirement. Okay, so another thing we'll cover today. It's a very small thing. String. So this is string concatenation. Okay, it's very useful in production, like in real time use. String con
Concat.
concatenation. Just ignore the spellings and all. Okay, now we need main method, right? Okay. So basically what I'm saying, okay, so far we have covered all other data type, int, long, short, boolean, right? All these data type. So I already mentioned, right, the string, it's a, is it a primitive data type or non-primitive data type? I already explained in my previous sessions. Is it comes under primitive or non-primitive?
Primitive.
No, it's non-primitive.
Non-primitive. Okay.
Primitive. Okay, non-primitive comes, remember, string, classes,
Mm.
interfaces, right? All these arrays, all this comes under non-primitives. So this string, right? A string, it's a non-primitive data type. Also, it's a class, because any this alphabet, okay, any letter, any alphabet, in uppercase, it's always consider a class. This is any small, right? Suppose some method I'm writing, get method. So this is anything you start, any method you design, will cover this thing in framework. Any letter you start with lowercase, always developer or tester or whoever is doing automation, for everyone in technology, they consider this is a method, because this is the syntax for method. If lowercase, if it's a uppercase, then it's a class. They will think it's a class. Maybe you are writing in a different way, but in general, right, they consider uppercase, start with uppercase will be always a class, and lowercase would be always method. That's why each and every class we started with the uppercase, right? Because we are considering this is a class. Okay, now come to the point. So what I'm trying to say, so string, it's a non-primitive data type, also it's a class. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, now any variable you want to store, right, means for string, anything, right? So string str1, for example, I'm saying hello, right? So hello, for example, right? This is what. Now we can't have another str to the same variable name, right? str1, because variable name can't be duplicate, right? So there should be 2. Now I'm saying hello Java, for example. Okay. Now I want to print, right? So this is very simple thing, right? So system.out.println, what I am going to do is I want to print this 2 in one line, right? Hello Java. My output should be hello Java. Just put this. Okay. How to get it? Any idea?
String 1 plus string 2.
Okay. Let's try. What I do? Plus.
I think so. Or what is the concatenate symbol here?
Have to give double quote, right? For space.
No,
नहीं चाहिए
this
ना?
is no. Okay. There is a difference. Okay. Now, what Ropio said, this is correct. But the problem would be you will get like this print. There will be
Yes.
no
For
space. Okay.
Yeah,
If I run this program, what happens? Hello Java will print together. There will be no space.
space.
आप string में ही दे सकते हो ना, string 1 या 2 में space एक दे दो
Comma
quote के अंदर.
space plus,
So
right?
now you would give here string.
Plus again.
Okay. And plus. So this thing will consider space. This string will consider as a space, and just this one, whatever the value, right? Same goes for another. I will show you. Now, if you see, you will get Java and space. Okay. This is what. Another we'll check with the data type. Okay. How to print some comment on calculation. Now see, this is now another one. Suppose int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay. Now what I want to print and to say like a plus b, right? A plus b, obviously it will print 30, no doubt.
Yes.
But if I want any message, right? Suppose I don't want like only 30. I want the message should be like my uh, uh,
Result.
total values is like this. If I want to get in this way, what to do here?
Copy that my total up to, paste there.
No, Raghu, wait. Let them speak.
Okay.
Let Manju or Vinod say them.
Yeah. What to do? I want to get this output as like this message, like this message. What to do? Try. If you do practice, like see, if you are telling wrong, also no issues, right? You will learn. What I
Vinod
do?
is saying something.
Double quotes.
Where double quote?
In after bracket.
After which bracket?
Before A saying.
Before A.
Start
Before
bracket.
A, what I will do?
Double quotes my total.
Okay, and
after double quotes press space
okay,
and run. No space actually.
no space. Okay,
And run.
but it is showing error. Raghu, don't say anything. Huh? It is showing error, na? Can you see
Yes,
error?
yes. Actually, you have to use plus.
Okay, plus.
Is,
So will it print A plus B is a 30? But okay, let's try. But this is not the way. Okay, anyway, if it prints also, this is not the way. I will tell you. So what it is doing here, it is saying print 10 with 20 if you use this plus operator. So it is not going to give you the calculation. It is just printing. If I print like this also, int c equal to 30 and now I print plus C, right? It will print 10 plus 10, then 20, then 30. If I run, you will see similar kind of 10, 20, 30. Okay. So I will tell you what to do here. Okay, you are seeing, right? So it is not adding, it is just giving you the just print. Okay, now to get this thing, what you have to do, system.out.println, whatever the message you want, right? Suppose, okay, in double quote, do this. Then what you have to do, use a bracket, and now you say A plus B plus C. Okay, 1 minute. So now if you do this, it will give you 60. You are getting the difference between this and this. So whenever you want to print any message on calculation, right? Always remember you have to use after the message whatever you want to print in a string, and then you have to mention all the calculation within the bracket. If you don't use the bracket, then it will just print you the normal output that will come as just normal. It will just give you the this value. It is not doing calculation here. It is just printing the value. This is the only difference. These are the very small things, but real time these we use mostly. Okay, to get all these things. These things you should know. Any doubt on string concatenation?
Any other
Any doubt?
symbol we use for concatenation?
Other means which? No, this is
जैसे
string, right? So string concatenation is this is whatever string, right? We use this one
करेक्ट
only.
है बट जैसे कि मैं जावा को ये VBA को कंपेयर कर रहा था ampersand we use to concatenate and we use plus also
This
right
is string concatenation, okay?
right
So for string, anything you want to print, right? The output like string only, it is for the concatenation with any other logic.
नहीं माखन भाई मैं सिंपल से पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं a ampersand b लिखूंगा तो concatenate होके आएगा value
No. That is different.
string
No, that is different logic.
that
Ropi.
will different
Yeah,
right
that
okay
it's just a string, whatever string you want to
करेक्ट
concatenate.
करेक्ट बट जावा VB में आपको पता है ना कि
Right.
दो स्ट्रिंग को
Right.
concatenate के लिए ampersand यूज कर लेते हैं
Right. Here, no, यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए. You don't need to do that. Okay. Here it's simple.
okay
So this is what. Let me just. This is very small thing. Okay. I thought let it cover because like this is like mostly people do mistake when while writing some code also. So this is also I did. Okay. So I think tomorrow you want to start, right? I want actually make it happen on Sunday. Why I'm telling, so you guys will have enough time to do the revision, like practice before
So
we
Sunday I'll
jump.
be out of Bangalore,
Oh,
bro.
oh.
I'll be back
What
to
about
we'll be talking
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Tuesday?
fine.
do
But
it on Tuesday
Because I see, my intention is not just completing the things. Okay, my
see,
intention
up
you
to
should
people, okay.
also.
They are okay with Tuesday or tomorrow. I'm okay. I don't. I'm just suggesting, okay,
I am
because
also okay
for
if tomorrow
Monday.
I can do it, but for if you want my personal opinion, I would say just do practice. I don't think you have get time to do practice all the things whatever covered so far, right? So Raghu, you can stop the recording now. So I want